The Trinity is one of the greatest mysteries of our faith. One God revealed in three persons, the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Not three gods, but one God in perfect unity. At creation we see it clearly. The Father conceived the plan. The Son, the Word, spoke, "Let there be light." And the Spirit hovered, moving over the waters, bringing life into being. The thought, the Word, and the power working as one. At the baptism of Jesus, the picture becomes even clearer. The Son stood humbly in the waters of Jordan. The Spirit descended visibly like a dove. And the Father's voice thundered from heaven, "This is my beloved Son, in whom I am well pleased." Three present, three distinct, yet one divine essence. At the resurrection, the mystery continues. The Father raised Jesus. The Son rose triumphantly, defeating death. And the Spirit gave life to his mortal body. Three working together, one in power, one in glory. So how do we understand the Trinity? The Father is the source, the will, the mind. The Son is the Word, the revelation, the visible expression of the invisible God. The Spirit is the power, the presence, the breath that gives life and makes God real within us. They are distinct, yet never divided. Equal, yet never in conflict. The Father thinks it, the Son declares it, and the Spirit brings it to life. Think of the sun. The sun itself is like the Father, the light that shines is like the Son, and the heat we feel is like the Spirit. Three expressions, one source. Or think of your own being. Your mind forms a thought, your word expresses it, and your breath carries it into reality. That is the Trinity. One God, three persons, eternal unity, divine love.